busy avoiding the fire.
Yeah.
What is the name?
Firecracker.
Firecrackers on the road for some reason.
Because of reasons.
Because of reason, someone decided it was okay to throw some fire. In the
Crackers.
street. Firecrackers.
You almost die.
I'm not okay with it.
Yeah. Have something to eat in Adra and then head back because the temperature is lovely for actually it's really good for riding, but it doesn't last.
Yeah.
By maximum 4 maybe 5 p.m. you need to be at home, otherwise it gets cold and it gets dark really soon.